Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our backup camera to a Mercedes GLA 250 2016. That's where we put the backup camera. The car came with NTG 5.0, 5.1 radio. As you can see, if you want to choose the right interface from our website, if you see this type of menu, that means your car is 5.0 or 5.1 NTG. So by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. And as you can see, it's exact same as Mercedes backup camera UI. And go to park, it goes back to the factory screen. So I'm gonna put the link of the unit, the interface on description below this video. You can check it out. If you're interested to get them, you can buy them online from our website, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.